Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how we can perform a hard reset of these earbuds. Okay, so at the first, just be sure that you are connected with the earbuds. Here I am, and of course, let me just open the case. As you can see, the status has changed. Right now I'm connected for calls and media audio, and to perform the hard reset, just take a look. Now you have to open the case and then rotate on this side. As you can see in this place, let me just catch focus on it. Okay, right here we can find this button on the right side of the case. So we have to click and hold it for at least 10 seconds until this indicator inside start blinking on red, and also this connection right here will disappear. So let's make it right now. Find the button, click and hold it, and take a look inside. At the first, it's blinking on the white, so it means that right now the device is in the pairing mode, so it's visible to other devices. As you can see right now, it's blinking on the red. It blinks 2 times, so we can release that button and take a look. Right now the connection disappears. When I close the case and open it for another time, they will be already in the pairing mode. So right now, when I'm gonna tap on them once, I'm not going to be connected back. I will have to accept another pairing request, so take a look. As you can see, the connection disappears, and right now we can make another setup and we are connected for another time. So as you can see, this reset method is very simple. So one more time, just remember to open the case, rotate like that, click and hold this button on the right side of your charging case until this indicator inside blinks 2 times for the red. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.